Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of Diwali greetings in English. Greetings are more than just words. They are a warm embrace of culture and tradition. In this video, we are going to learn some common Diwali greetings in English to help you celebrate this festival of lights. Do repeat after me and improve your vocabulary and pronunciation. Let's get started. Happy Diwali. May your life be filled with light and happiness. May the festival of lights fill your home with happiness. May your path always be lit with prosperity. Wishing you peace, love, and laughter. May the divine light guide you. Wishing you a festival filled with delights. May your dreams shine as bright as Diwali lights. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Stay updated and wish you a very happy Diwali.